Hello, my BFF. Welcome back to my channel. This is Del, and if you're new here, welcome. By the way, we're here in a different room. We're in our TV room, and in front of me, I have my new purchase. It is a laptop. The brand name is Dell, which sounds like my name, Del, and it was delivered last week. So I'm excited to unbox it with you. And this is my first time to have an unboxing video, so bear with me because this is my first time. And I have a list, by the way, here, so that list of specifications, so that if you're planning to buy one for yourself, have an idea what to buy. Nice packaging, and then when you open it, you will see another box, which is this one. Okay. Look at this. It's one big box here, and with the plastic, you have to open it. Look at how fancy this box is. And when you open it like this, you can see this silver laptop. And I will give you the specification later. But in here you can see another compartment for cable, and the other one is for charger, I think, or I don't know what is this, but we'll see. So this one has actually it's only 3, and then there is a little booklet. Yes, it's like Christmas time in May. I will list down all this information on the screen so that you can see properly, because I'm reading it incorrectly. And here are the specification of this beautiful laptop in front of me. The model is Latitude 9520 BTX. The retail price is 1,724.45 euros, and plus IVA or VAT is 362.13 euros. So the total price is 2,086.58 euro. And I bought this online. And here are the specifications if you want to buy something for yourself or for your loved one. And the LCD screen is portable 16 by 9 or 1920 by 1080. IR camera, proximity sensor, shutter, microphone, wireless Intel Wi-Fi 6 wireless, HDD, which is solid state drive class 35, is 512 to 1 terabyte. Keyboard, single pointing backlit keyboard, British English. System management, Intel V Pro. Technology advanced management features. Wireless controller, Intel Wi-Fi 6 wireless controller AX201 2x2 802.11ax 160 MHz plus Bluetooth 5.1. Processor branding, Intel Core i7 V Pro processor label. And the power supply, 65 watts Type-C adapter, European power cord cable, main battery 49 watts polymer battery, express charge compatible, Energy Star certification, tags, regulatory label. this is my purchase for 2021. And again, this is Del, and wherever you are now, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and thank you for staying with me, and see you again soon.